It is a windy and rainy fall day today, so we're getting ready to go out to the Kentucky Adventure Tour with Jeremiah from Overland Pioneers and Will from Forge Overland.
Nope, it's not gonna fit. I don't know, it's gonna be really tight. If you're coming this way, yeah, I think if you move you more to driver, I think you'll fit.
Man, that's everything I've got. He drug his trailer against that log.
Oh, he did.
Through.
You've got it.
After some fun and technical trails, and with the skies getting darker, we headed east towards camp for the night. So yesterday it was raining, which let us get all those really cool slow motion shots, but today I'm hoping it dries up. Right now it's not raining, but we're getting a lot of drips from the trees still, and it's kind of overcast, because I really want to get the drone out. And it's Jeremiah here with Overland Pioneers that really got me into using a drone. How long have you been using drones for?
3 years, for real estate.
3
real
years.
estate marketing.
Okay, and then with your channel
Yes.
or Facebook for
Yes.
like a year or so?
Yeah.
Yeah, and drones, I think his videos are really, really cool. They really add to the shot. You know, there's only so much you can see from the ground, and it adds a whole new dimension. So in terms of drones,
Yes.
you've got two drones there. These two on the right are yours.
I've had about every single DJI drone there is, except for the
Except this
Mavic
one.
2 with the Hasselblad camera on it.
So which one's your favorite?
Well, the Phantom 4 is just the workhorse. Everyone talks about, and you're the same way, which I
I'm
get.
the same way, yep.
Where the Mavic is so compact and it's so nice for traveling. I feel as a videographer, I want the biggest image I can get. But with the Mavics, the newer Mavics, they're getting better and better with the cameras, and you can't tell a difference between that and that.
But in terms of the camera, like I said, they're very similar, both 1-inch sensors. There is a slight advantage with the Phantom because you can do 4K 60 frames per second, where you can only do 4K 30 on this. But that's fine for most of what I do. But then I think there's an advantage with this. I like how compact this is. I like that I can fold it up and just stick it in a backpack or in a pocket in the vehicle. You know, space is at a premium. Which,
even though I drive a two-door Wrangler.
Yeah. He drives a tiny vehicle and has
and
that.
I find room, but it's just because I also use this one for work, and it's, like I said, it's a workhorse. I haven't had many issues with these except for me running them into things.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't think you can go wrong with either one.
No.
They're both really good drones.
The Spark is a good backup drone, a good starter drone. It also has GPS coordination, so it'll stabilize via GPS. It has sensors on the bottom. If you're within a certain level of the ground, it'll still stabilize from the ground. It's only got a 2-axis gimbal, so if you do a hard tilt, the Horizon will do a hard tilt as well. The Spark is would you say, a good camera, good cell phone camera? That
Yeah,
it's
it's
on
kind of
it?
like cell phone quality. So plan for today is maybe fly around here a little bit, get packed up, and then I'm heading out to just past Jackson, out to Breathitt County, where they've got some of those mountaintops. I'm going to fly my drone up there, and I think you're going home to edit video.
Yeah.
So you have to go check out his video from this weekend on, where can they see that?
Anything Overland Pioneers.
Anything Overland Pioneers, so YouTube and Facebook. Cool.
Instagram.
And Instagram.
Don't you forget my Instagram.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
The trails in Breathitt County are very distinct due to the reclaimed mining land from mountaintop removal. Close to 500 square miles of land in Breathitt County alone was mined for coal. It wasn't long before I came across the first wild horses. The flat, grassy areas are well suited to the horses, and there are thought to be around 400 of them. As I went on further into the hills, the trails got tighter and more overgrown. It wasn't long before I was dragging on branches on all sides. I'm going to let you listen to about 30 seconds of what the Forerunners paintwork was going through.